Touch gloves. Fight! Who is gonna win this match? Laura lost her glasses already. She's gonna fight back. She's gonna fight hard until the enemy is defeated. Laura is killing the enemy. Laura is killing the enemy. The enemy's getting tired and wimpy. Wimpy! Laura's enraged. She will kill them. Look at that. She is down. Pin. Laura wins. But she's so mad. She's gonna win. Champion. Let's see how the opponent feels about that.
Wow, Laura, how does it feel to win and lose your glasses?
Very nice, very nice.
Now let's look at your opponent, Marissa Sabal. Bloody nose. How do you know if that's legitimate? Show it.
I don't want them to see my nose. Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's bloody, see?
You can't see it. You can't see it.
It's bloody. Take it out.
Ew. Okay, that's enough proof. How does it feel to lose to Laura Spiegel again?
It's horrible.
Time
She
again.
hit me in the nose so hard that I'm bleeding, and it really hurt.
At least you have your glasses.
I was so close to winning her too, but she kept hitting me, and I told her to stop, and so I take her the glasses, but she doesn't, she doesn't stop when I tell her to stop.
And how do you feel about that?
Very nice.
You